Donzia, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be collecting the daily Cipher Morse code. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you all know that you are going to click on the daily Cipher here. Once you click on it, our first word for today is going to be capital letter H, which is 4 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's H. Then the next letter is O, which is 3 dash 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 dash. Then the next letter is D, which is dash double shot dash double shot. Then our next letter is L, which is long short 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 long short short. As you can see, we have cracked today's code and take the prize. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.